Imagine a range of driving lights with the same quality construction and high performance output as the legendary Narva Ultima driving lights. Now imagine that these can be customized nearly endlessly and are extremely accessible to the everyday user. Why are we imagining what already exists? Introducing the Narva EX2 driving light family. Narva EX2, designed to blend segment-leading performance, market-leading customization, and super easy installation with the premium build quality and reliability you've come to expect from a Narva product. Let's face it, today's driving light market is flooded with options, literally flooded. But there are still some gaps, still some customer needs that have yet to be solved. Extensive research, quality engineering, and exhaustive testing means that EX2 driving lights are built from the ground up to fill those gaps, with features that stand above the crowd. Fully designed, engineered, and tested in Australia, this range of lighting is the most extensive that Narva has ever undertaken. In other words, EX2 is lighting like you've never seen before from Narva. At Narva, we don't design anything without speaking to our customers and end users first. Even with the forward lighting market as crowded as it is, we kept hearing the same messages. Customers could not find a forward lighting option that ticked all of the following boxes: ease of fitment and installation, high performance wide beam patterns, more customization and personalization options, premium build quality, durability and reliability. This first stage of the EX2 program has been developed to tick all of these boxes. But further stages of this program will see even more customization and even a range of light bars. As I said earlier, this is the most extensive forward lighting program that Narva has ever undertaken. But for now, back to the EX2 driving lights. Ease of installation is a massive one. The DIY four-wheel driver knows how much work is involved getting the wiring through the firewall. And for the everyday punter, this means professional assistance, which means more time and more money. The Narva product development team have invented a market-changing technology. All Narva EX2 lights feature the patent-pending internal switching technology. This incredible technology removes the need for a wiring harness, and even further, it removes the need for an in-cabin switch. This completely eliminates the need to bring wires through the firewall. How good is that? Installation is as simple as connect the positive and negative wires, add the appropriate fuse, and connect the yellow wire to the vehicle high beam circuit, and you're ready to go. 3 steps, and the EX2 driving lights are powered up and, depending on where you are in Australia or New Zealand, completely road legal. But if you want or need an in-cabin switch, it is also super easy to install. The EX2 range provides exceptional performance, meaning the best value for money on the market. Featuring up to 27,200 raw lumens or 19,400 effective lumens per 9-inch pair, while impressive, only tells part of the story. Based on our testing and customer feedback, the hybrid beam pattern technology featured in all EX2 driving lights provides better output than comparable products. When I say better output, I'm talking about the width, with one 9-inch pair providing up to 60 metres of beam width, as well as 700 metres of beam length. This means hazards can be identified earlier, which means they can be avoided, making for a safer driving experience. This same philosophy is carried throughout every single product in the EX2 range. Driving light customization is king, not just for the four-wheel drive market, but also for the truck market. Narva pioneered driving light customization with the original Ultima Mark I driving light all the way back in 2017. With EX2, we're taking it even further, with more, brighter and bolder colours and more real estate to customise on each lamp. This allows every EX2 user to express themselves, all for no extra charge. So how does this work? First, there are the interchangeable colour trims. Each EX2 driving light comes with 2 colour trim options in the box. The signature electric trims give the lamp great presence on the vehicle, or the understated slate is for those who want to be more subtle. But Narva takes you even further with an additional 6 colour trims, including options for Sunburst, Volcano, Juiced, Hyper, Bubblegum and Stealth. These can be redeemed online, free of charge, by scanning the QR code provided with every purchase. Unlike most other lights on the market, with customisation, the EX2 range can be personalised without tools, meaning that customers can change their look as often as they change their mood. We've heard our customers, they want personalisation, and the EX2 range delivers in spades. High quality construction and finish are non-negotiable ingredients in any Narva product, particularly a Narva driving light. Narva's Ultima driving lights set the benchmark for durability, and the EX2 range takes all this knowledge and enhances upon it to provide world-class durability and reliability. Firstly, the lenses feature Narva's tried and tested UV-resistant hardcoat. When paired with virtually unbreakable polycarbonate lens, this means no stone chips or scratches. It also prevents that unsightly lens yellowing, meaning EX2's signature looks won't fade with time. Next, there is the heavy-duty construction. The die-cast aluminium housing is durable and ensures optimum cooling for the LEDs, whilst reducing the overall profile of the lamp. This is paired with a glass-filled nylon composite bracket. Our testing shows this bracket is as durable as many die-cast brackets and as durable as pressed metal brackets. The added benefit of the composite bracket is that it is much lighter than pressed metal or die-cast brackets, making it far less affected by vibration. It also means that it won't rust or corrode, meaning extremely long life. The robust construction and extensive testing means the EX2 range is fully sealed and waterproof to IP68 and IP69K. This makes them impervious to dust, water, and even high pressure washing. With all these benefits comes an incredible no-fault 7-year warranty. So what's a no-fault warranty? Well, essentially, if you think it's a warranty, we think it's a warranty. So here's an example. You're driving across the Nullarbor and you hit a kangaroo, breaking one of your brackets. If you think that's a warranty, like I said before, so do we. This is an exceptional warranty for exceptional peace of mind. Let's recap the key features. Combination beam optics across the range with a focus on wider beam patterns. A uniform beam with no hot spots or dark spots. Pressure die-cast aluminium housing. The highest possible ingress protection. Virtually unbreakable polycarbonate lens. The revolutionary patent-pending internal switching technology. 8 interchangeable custom colour trims, our signature Stealth lens protectors, and our amazing 7-year no-fault warranty. These are the exceptional features of every product in the EX2 range. So whether the user has the massive 9-inch, the workhorse 6 or 7-inch lights, or the humble 4-inch, or a combination of these, every driving light in the EX2 range will exceed the user's expectations. Whether the user is a DIY four-wheel drive enthusiast or is using it for fleet or transport applications, the range has been designed to meet their every need at a price point that makes them accessible. Extra easy installation, exceptional performance, express yourself with customization that suits your vehicle, and because it's Narva, exceptional build quality. Narva EX2, excellence in driving lights.